The sales account code feature in Fergus allows you to assign line items to a wider range of sales types, not just labour or materials. Better yet, these sales types can be synced directly to your linked accounting package. You can apply sales account codes across several areas in Fergus, like quoting, invoicing, or when adding costs to a job card. To begin, go to Settings and select Sales Account Codes. First, check that your default labour and materials sales account codes are set correctly. You can update them anytime by clicking the pencil icon on the right-hand side. To create a new sales account code, click Add New Sales Account Code in the top left. For example, if you frequently charge for travel, you might want to add a code called Travel Charges. Simply give your code a name, choose an icon, and select the correct chart of accounts item from your accounting package. Remember, because these are sales account codes, you'll need to select a sales account, not an expense or other account type. Now that we've set up your account codes, we can change the account code for your line items in two ways. Per line item, click the icon on the left side of the item to update its account code when doing quoting, invoicing, or adding items to your job, or permanently update these in tiered pricing. To do so, head to Settings and Tiered Pricing. Here, you can click the icon next to any item to change its code, or select multiple items to bulk update their codes all at once. If you're not familiar with tiered pricing, check out our help article for guidance. And that's all there is to it. With Fergus, you can confidently assign sales account codes to keep your costs accurate, organised, and synced with your accounting package.